Have you ever prayed to Allah a lot for something, waking up at night with tears in his eyes? Do you want from the heart? Still months go by, let the years pass, and may that prayer not be fulfilled. And then a question arises in the heart. O Allah, why are you making me wait again and again? If you ever felt like this, so today's video is for you. Because sometimes waiting for Allah actually happens to save your life. Allah is never late. We think Allah is late. But the truth is that Allah never delays. He gives everything at exactly the right time. Quran reminds us that Allah does everything according to the appointed time. Sometimes what we want today, if He is found today. So maybe He is harmful for us. That's why Allah waits, so that when the item is found, so they met with blessing and peace. Waiting is a test of faith. Waiting is actually a test of faith. When everything is easy, then it is easier to believe in Allah, but the real faith appears then when it is too late to accept prayers, and yet the servant says, "O God, I believe, you are making the best decision for me." That's patience Allah likes the most. Allah is preparing something better. Many times we ask for one thing, but Allah is preparing something better than this. You want a door, but Allah is the one who opens a big door for you. If that prayer was accepted immediately, so maybe you would have missed this great blessing. That's why sometimes Allah waits, because He wants to give you more better. Waiting makes you closer to Allah when a person is in trouble. So he comes closer to Allah. He prays, more namaz, and more remembers Allah. Sometimes Allah waits for this so that the servant can be close to Him, because Allah likes that His servant called Him again and again. The story behind many blessings. You must have seen in life some things happen like this, the ones you have waited for a long time, but when they finally meet, so you realize that if it had been found earlier, so maybe I wouldn't have appreciated it. Waiting us teaches to value blessings. Allah sees what you cannot see. We only see today, but Allah sees the past, present and future. What you are considering a blessing, it is possible that He will move forward, become a trial for you. And what you are considering a loss, may He actually be the greatest good in your life. That's why Allah sometimes gives us, He doesn't give the thing what we are praying for, because He knows what we don't know. Waiting builds your character. Waiting makes a person strong if everything is found immediately. So man never learns patience, but when life is delayed, so humans are born. Patience, endurance and trust in Allah. That's what those qualities are which to a common man, strong believers make. Allah tests those He loves. A very profound truth is that sometimes Allah loves the servant, more tries it more, because trials, they bring man closer to Allah. You see, the Prophet's lives were also full of trials, but these same trials made them closest to Allah. Sometimes Allah is protecting you. Ever you thought that what you are praying for, if she was found immediately, so maybe she would have hurt you. Sometimes Allah, actually you are being saved. A relationship, a job in the field, or a chance, which we feel very good. But Allah knows that there is no good for us in it. That's why He stops us. Your dua is never wasted. Many people think if the prayer is not accepted, so maybe the prayer was lost. But the truth is this, that no prayer is wasted with Allah. prayer is accepted in three ways. Allah gives that thing immediately. Allah delays it to a better time. Allah removes any trouble in its stead. So, remember your every prayer is being accepted in some form. If you are waiting for something today, so don't give up. Maybe Allah is testing you. Maybe He is preparing you. And maybe He's gonna give you something better than this, what you asked for. Remember, Allah's delay, there is no denial. Often this is a sign that Allah is writing something big for you. So, keep praying, keep being patient, and have faith. Because when Allah gives, so He waits for every pain, turns into happiness.